everyone! Welcome to my channel Musina. For this video, I will be guiding you through the cooking process of the very famous Cebu-style Lechon roll. But before we start, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. Because we have a big family, this recipe is for a 7-pound pork belly slab. You're going to need sweet onion, spring onion, lemongrass, 3 tablespoons salt, 5 tablespoons chicken powder, 3 tablespoons garlic, and 5 tablespoons chicken bouillon. The first thing I do is to make the holes so I can sew through and secure the belly roll. Fold the pork slab in half and using a knife, make at least half-inch slits at about an inch apart from each other from one end to another. The slit should just be enough for the needle to get through. You can also repeat the process on the other side of the slab. Next, cut through the meat diagonally about an inch apart and repeat the process to create a crisscross pattern. Rub the chicken bouillon, salt, garlic, and the chicken powder generously all over the meat and in the creases as well. This will ensure that the flavor will seep through the meat. Cut the onion into dice or strips. However, in this video, I did both and spread over the meat. For the lemongrass, make sure you cut out the bottom part of the lemongrass and with the back of your kitchen knife, pound on the stalk until it's pliable. And then make a knot. For the spring onion, slice the bulb lengthwise and cut the green top in half. Carefully arrange the lemongrass and spring onion over the meat. You can now preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it is more common and easier to secure the pork belly by tying it, I experimented on hand stitching the slab together to allow the skin to cook evenly. I also had to make my own needle for this purpose. FYI, I used the cross-stitch method and it successfully secured the slab together. You can place the belly over a roasting pan to catch the fat and juice drippings. Since my Cebu Lechon took the entire space of my oven rack, I placed 2 trays below the meat. Cooking time is 4 hours. Patience is definitely a virtue. Okay, now it's ready! So carefully remove from the oven, slice the Cebu Lechon roll and serve with your favorite sauce. Remember, you do not need any sauce with the Cebu Lechon. Thank you all for watching and please don't forget to click the subscribe button, ring the bell and share this video. Food tastes best when shared.
Thank you.